Hi, my name is NataliaPenagos, and the final task is about collecting and presenting data. So I'm going to explain two different targets in order to accomplish these tasks. I hope you like it, and let's start. The first graph is about the prevalence of mental disorder by age in England. But what's a mental illness? A mental health condition that has a negative effect on the way the individual thinks, feels, and behaves. Some examples of mental disorders are anxiety disorders, bipolar and related disorders, and depressive disorders. The graph on the following slide shows the result about prevalence of mental disorders by age in England. In this chart, you can see the different colors have been used to indicate the sex. Girls with blue colors and boys with yellow colors. This graph is divided in three different groups. The first group is boys and girls from 5 to 10 years old. The second group is boys and girls from 11 to 16 years old. And the third group is boys and girls from 17 to 19 years old. First of all, I would like you to focus your attention on the behavior of girls. As you can see in girls, the older they are, the higher is the probability to have mental illness. In the age range from 17 to 19, there is a 23.9% of probability that a girl has a mental illness. That means nearly 1 in 4 young women. Maybe that occurs because at that age there is a lot of pressure on body image and also the effects of social media. That is not the case of boys, where the probability of having a mental illness remains stable across the ages. The highest probability of having a mental illness is between boys from 11 to 60 years old. Maybe that occurs because some physical changes. Finally, I would like to draw your attention in age group from 17 to 19. As you can see, the woman has twice as likely as young men to have problems, with a 23.9 reporting a disorder. In short, it is important that schools, families, and the government take care of mental illness among young people, especially on young women, in order to prevent them. Now I'm going to talk about the death rate of COVID-19 patients with pre-existing conditions. In this bar chart shows the relationship between some illness and the death rate among people with COVID. As you can see, people that have some health problems are more likely to die compared to healthy patients. For example, people that suffer from heart disease have 10.5% death rate. Also, people with COVID that suffer from diabetes have 7.3% death rate. People who have chronic respiratory disease, high blood pressure, and cancer share almost the same rate with 6.3%, 6%, and 5.6% respectively. We can also infer that older people have higher probability of dying from COVID because it's more common that older people suffer from those kind of health problems, like heart disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. So it's really important that all people, and also people with heart problems, take care of themselves by using a mask or by getting the vaccine. Thank you so much.